For a smiling patient and a satisfied surgeon, all you need is a comfortable space, high-tech technology, high-tech equipment, and a complete futuristic OT solution.
It's important to keep it hygienic, clean, clutter-free, and fresh. And we understand this very well. We are Pridex that embraces the future of OT technologies. Being the only company in India to offer a totally integrated turnkey solution for a modular operation theatre by creating the ideal ergonomics with network integration, endoscopy 2D and 3D cameras, CR images, radiology images, operating microscope images, OT light camera, multipara monitor images, anesthesia gas alarms and gas scavenging, integrated suction and irrigation, surgery recording and archiving, audio-video transmission within hospital and on cloud, integration with PACS, PACS. Now, let's explore the unique offerings by the Pridex OT Suite. Controlled air supply, fresh, pure and UV sterilized air to maintain the hygienic atmosphere. The air passing through the exhaust comes here to this unit and being passed through different filters for purification. The pure air is then sent to the operation room. Integrated control workstation. It can display temperature, humidity, positive pressure in OT.
You can select and set LA parameters as per the requirement.
Six gas alarms, ambient and OT light. 2 cameras have been provided for simultaneous recording of endo and external. Patient data management.
Stopwatch is provided to measure actual surgery time, which is recorded in patient's data management.
Light music control for soothing atmosphere. Integrated with hospital LAN network for images and data transfer. DICOM converter and viewer for radiology images and integrated with PACS. Painted stainless steel wall panels and PCGI ceilings with certified clean room. All corners rounded for minimum bacteria accumulation. Surgery and anesthesia pendants equipped with all necessary world-class equipment. Automatic hermetically sealed doors for restricted entry and keep the atmosphere in control. Interlocking door pass box so that one can transport unwanted material outside without leaving the OT room.
Pridex pendants have separate bars for centralized suction and air, which can be used as surgical suction and irrigation for endoscopic as well as open surgeries.
Large X-ray viewers with adjustable intensity. Wall monitors to show live surgery, split screen images and radiology images. Anti-static vinyl flooring for safe working environment. A handy scrub station for hand wash equipped with motion sensors. You can adjust the timing as per your requirements. Air shower at the patient and staff entry doors.
Pridex is one of the very few companies in India that has incorporated fully tested and high definition video and audio transmission. Pridex also has capabilities to transmit 3D video to the in-house auditorium and also on remote video conferencing. Permanent setup for this in your hospital can give your surgeons transmission on demand, improve hygiene in OT during the conference, and most important, save a lot of money paid onto rentals to audio-video operators.
Pridex offers turnkey services in making OT complex layouts with sterile and unsterile areas, material, manpower, and patient flow, designing of complex, construction of each module, integration of equipments and networking, commissioning and after-sales service.
Pridex brings to you a complete futuristic OT solutions that takes care of all your needs. This is how a Pridex OT suite is built step by step. Pridex offers surgical equipments in general surgery, gynecology, urology, ENT, orthopedic, and neurosurgery.
Along with the turnkey modular operation theatre, Pridex is the only company in India that offers equipments such as
RIMSA OT LED lights. OT LED lights manufactured by RIMSA Italy are part of Pridex OT suite. The patented reverse reflector technology makes RIMSA unique among all global brands. RIMSA installation in India exceeds 100 numbers. Maxer Minimal Invasive Surgery. 4 camera models to choose from, out of which 3 are full HD resolution. Complete solutions for laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, uroendoscopy, ENT, arthroscopy, and spine endoscopy. Huge installation base of over 4,000 numbers. ConMed 3D laparoscopy system. Pioneer in 3D laparoscopy under Viking brand. Good presence in the US and European market. True fatigue-free 3D. Lamide Novi Electrosurgery and Vessel Sealing. French market leader in electrosurgery, now in India by Pridex. Lamide is the only company in the world to provide reusable autoclavable vessel sealer with cutters, which reduces your recurring costs substantially. Pentax Flexible endoscopes in urology and hysteroscopy. Sturdy design, great optics, long life endoscopes, which is very important for deuteravinoscopy when using the stone laser. Pioneer micro drills, coniotome, and micro debrider in neuro and ENT. More than 500 installations in India in most premium hospitals. Carl Caps Operating Microscopes. German apochromatic optics. More than 200 installations in India. Sutter Radio Frequency. Innovative German technology with 4 MHz frequency. Reusable and autoclavable probes. Everyday tool for many ENT applications. Invisia ENT stroboscopy. Visualization of vocal cords for abnormalities, voice analysis, and therapy.
We have a wide presence across India with 15 distributors and a strong service support. Now you can also give this clutter-free and state-of-the-art OT experience to your surgeons and patients with the help of Pridex. Pridex, embracing the future of OT technologies.